The 2025 Tricycle bike represents the next step in personal transportation, combining the stability of a three-wheel design with advanced technology for urban mobility. Unlike traditional bicycles, the modern tricycle caters to a broader range of riders, including those who may have balance issues or prefer a more secure ride in congested areas. These bikes are built with a focus on safety, comfort, and efficiency, making them ideal for city commuters, recreational riders, and individuals seeking a greener way to travel. One of the most striking features of the 2025 Tricycle bike is its sleek, ergonomic design. The frame is lightweight, often made from durable yet eco-friendly materials such as recycled aluminum or carbon fiber composites. This makes the bike not only sturdy but also easy to handle and maneuver. With three wheels, riders experience a higher level of balance and stability, particularly when carrying heavier loads or navigating uneven city streets. Incorporating advanced electric assist technology, many tricycle bikes in 2025 come equipped with electric motors that help reduce the strain on the rider, especially during uphill climbs or long distances. The electric motor can be activated at the push of a button, providing a boost when necessary while still allowing for manual pedaling. The motor's power is generated by rechargeable batteries, which have also seen significant improvements in capacity and charging speed, making the electric tricycle a viable option for daily commuters. Furthermore, the 2025 Tricycle bike is designed with smart connectivity in mind. Riders can connect their bikes to smartphone apps that offer real-time data on speed, distance, and battery life. GPS integration ensures that riders can navigate city streets with ease, while safety features like integrated LED lights, automatic braking systems, and proximity sensors protect against accidents. These technological upgrades make riding safer and more efficient, especially in high-traffic areas. Another notable feature is the expanded cargo capacity of tricycle bikes, which are perfect for carrying groceries, personal items, or even children. Some models feature enclosed storage compartments, while others have customizable cargo spaces to accommodate larger loads. This makes the tricycle bike an attractive alternative to cars for short trips, reducing congestion and carbon emissions in cities. In conclusion, the 2025 Tricycle bike is a blend of sustainability, technology, and practicality. Its design caters to modern urban needs, offering a stable, eco-friendly, and tech-enhanced mode of transportation that is poised to transform the way people move through cities.